In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on your 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. It's very easy, so let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door, and now right where the driver's left foot would go, there's the primary hood release lever. It even has a sticker on it. That's the one right there. Just grab it and pull it lightly. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Mazda emblem there, that's for the secondary hood release lever. So lift up the hood slightly, and you need to put in your index finger and push it right. So push it right and open up the hood with your other hand. Now this hood requires a prop rod to support it. So that's a prop rod. Let's get it out, and we need to put it in the hood with the slot that has the arrow mark in it. That's the one right there. Let's get a closer look. So once the rod is in, just let go of the hood, and now the hood is secured in place. Now once the hood is open, you see that box over there? That is where the engine air filter is. So we need to get the cover off. For that we need to take those two clips off. So just press the clip and it comes off right like that. That's the first one, and that's the second one right there. Now we need to slightly lift that cover just a little bit, and then we need to push it toward the front of the vehicle. Okay, and now let's take a look at those tabs in the back there, how they slide out of their slots. So there are those three tabs which are holding the cover in place, and that's why we had to slide the cover to the front of the vehicle. So that's the one tab that's visible. The other two ones are there, but they're sort of hidden under that wire. Let's move the wire so we can see them. So that's the second one, and that's the third one. Alright, so there's three tabs, they're in the slots there, and that's what holds the cover in place. 1, 2, and 3. Now, once that's done, we can just lift up the cover, and that's where the engine air filter is. So grab the filter and pull it right out. Now the way this works is dirty air from outside, it comes in from here, it gets filtered, and on the other end you get clean air which goes into the engine. Alright, now get the new filter and let's put the filter back in the housing there, and it should fit exactly. It should be an exact fit, right? And when you're putting in, don't get impatient. Alright, don't just like throw the filter in there. Make sure it's seated properly. And once you put the filter in there, just double check, make sure it's not sticking out anywhere, it's seated properly. And then let's just put the cover down, press it down, and then we need to push it towards the back of the vehicle. Just like that. Let's get a closer look at those tabs as they slide into the slots. Done. Now let's put the clips back on. That's one, and that's two. In order to close the hood, first you need to push it, get the prop rod out of there, put the prop rod back in its place. Now simply lower the hood and slam it shut.